Audio script 7.1. Listen to the audio and circle the correct option.
Welcome to Voices from the Past. You're listening to Radio History. Matthew Potter here. Today, my guest is archaeologist Dr. Homer Taylor. Hello, Dr. Taylor.
Hi, Matthew. Today, I'll tell you about 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The first site is Chichen Itza. It's an ancient city in Mexico, and it dates back to the 5th century. It's one of the most important examples of the Mayan Toltec civilization.
What makes it this important?
Well, its importance comes from the monuments there. The whole site is among the masterpieces of Mesoamerican architecture.
Okay, let's move on to the second site, Dr. Taylor.
The second site is Petra, an ancient caravan city in modern-day Jordan. It's over 2,300 years old. This makes it one of the oldest cities in the world. The builders of Petra were the Nabateans.
When did they exactly build it?
They built it in 312 BC, and the city has a unique architecture with excellent tombs and temples.
And what's the last site?
The last one is Sansa. It's a complex of multi-purpose religious facilities located in Korea. The Koreans constructed them between the 7th and the 9th centuries.
What makes Sansa worth being a World Heritage Site?
It has well-preserved statues and buildings, and they can still do their jobs.
Thanks for being our guest today, Doc.
You're welcome.
Audio script 7.2. Listen to the interview about the ancient city of Troy and answer the questions below.
Hi everybody. Today, we're hosting a guest in our class. Welcome Mr. Aslan.
Hello. Thanks for inviting me.
It's a pleasure. You're going to tell us about the ancient city of Troy. So let me ask the first question about the city. Who built it?
Well, according to the epics of the Iliad and the Odyssey, Elos built the city. However, we can say that the Trojans built it.
Wow, interesting. Where did they build it?
They built it on Hisarlik Hill, Çanakkale.
And when did they build it?
We don't know the exact time, but we can say that they built it in 3000 BC.
This is amazing. Who discovered it?
A German amateur archaeologist discovered it in 1871. It was an important discovery.
Why was it important?
He discovered that the city had 9 layers. 42 building levels were unearthed.
Unbelievable. We learnt many things today. Thank you, Mr. Aslan.
Thank you for listening.
Audio script 7.3. Listen and practice the words below.
Arrived. Called. Mixed. Packed. Added. Invited.
Audio script 7.4. Read the words aloud and tick the sounds you produce. Then listen to check your answers.
1. Waited. 2. Reached. 3. Climbed. 4. Tired.
Audio script 7.5. Listen to the dialogue and pay attention to the strong and weak forms of the highlighted words.
The shoe shop was closed yesterday.
Was it Sunday?
Yes, it was.
It wasn't raining, was it?
No, it wasn't.
Audio script 7.6. Listen to the tongue twisters. Then practice them as fast as you can. 1.
There were some shocked, shielded, and sheltered people outside the shaped, shelled, and shaded shops. Weren't there?
2.
It wasn't the cooled, clenched, and coated beef from the cuffed, clawed, and coated cow, was it?
Workbook Track 7.1. Listen to the audio and complete the following table. Today, I'll tell you about 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The first site on our list is the Altai Mountains. It's a natural site located in Russia. The site was inscribed in 1998 because it's an important habitat for many species. The Altai region in southern Siberia is a giant natural reserve. The second site is the historic center of Bukhara. It's in Uzbekistan and is a cultural site. Its date of inscription is 1993, and it's a unique example of a medieval city in Turkestan, with the city's many facilities still in place. The famous Ismail Samani tomb is the best surviving example of 10th century Islamic architecture. The last site is the Ava of southern Iraq. It has 7 parts, 3 archaeological sites and 4 natural sites. The archaeological sites are Sumerian cities and settlements dating back to the 4th millennium BC. The Ava of southern Iraq is very special because it's one of the world's largest inland delta systems.